Hey everyone, the Modest Wallet here, and today we're going to be diving into KashKick.com, a reward site that promises to pay you for doing things you might already do online, like taking surveys and even playing games. But is it really worth your time? Let's break it down. KashKick is really no different from other popular reward sites. Things like Swagbucks, MyPoints, Survey Junkie, even InboxDollars. KashKick is a GPT platform, a get paid to platform, and they partner with advertisers to offer rewards for completing certain tasks. These tasks can include things like surveys where you're going to share your opinion and you'll earn points. In this case, you earn dollars because there aren't points. The tasks can also include completing offers, so you might be downloading apps or signing up for free trials or maybe even having to purchase some things. And then finally, it might be games that you play. So you might play games, and then when you reach certain levels, then you get rewarded. So how does it work? Well, first you need to sign up, and it's free to create an account on KashKick.com. And then you actually get a $1 bonus for doing so. From there, you're gonna then browse offers. You're gonna find offers that potentially interest you and then check the payout details on those offers. And then finally, you're gonna complete those tasks. So you wanna make sure you follow the instructions carefully to ensure that you're gonna be getting credited. And I did forget to mention, you also then want to cash out, because once you reach the minimum payout threshold, it's usually $10, you can redeem your cash through PayPal by going to the dollar bills sign and balance on the top right of the screen, where you can then request a PayPal transfer. I'll show all of this shortly when I take you into the site here soon. Before I do that though, I wanted to take a look at and talk about a couple features that KashKick has. First is the multiple earnings option. So with this feature, you're gonna have surveys, offers, and games that are gonna hopefully provide a decent amount of variety as you're trying to earn some extra cash. The next feature is the easy to use interface. The website is user friendly and very straightforward, as you'll see here shortly. We already mentioned this, but the low payout threshold is another feature. When you reach $10 to cash out, pretty achievable, and the site doesn't have a point system, so you know exactly how much you're making rather than trying to just convert your points to cash. All right, let me take you inside KashKick to show you what the sign up looks like, as well as how to navigate the site. Let's take a look. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and get signed up with KashKick. A couple options: sign up with PayPal, sign up with Facebook, sign up with Google, or you can come down here and just enter your email address and choose a password. So I'm gonna go ahead and I will sign up with Google. It just seems like to make the most sense for me. And I'm going to sign into KashKick.com. Okay, I'm going to accept those terms. I'm going to hit continue. So just like that, I didn't even need to create like a password. It was as simple as that. I was able to sign up right through Google, right through my Gmail. As I did mention, if this is something you're going to consider doing, maybe you want to consider signing up with an account that you don't necessarily care about, you don't check as much, because programs like this seem to send a lot of emails. So this is our main page. Let's just kind of scroll down and kind of take a look. Earn $130, earn $155, $200, Monopoly. So there's a lot of options here. Now these numbers look like they're pretty big numbers. We'll find out if that's actually accurate. Can you actually earn that much? I'm assuming it's up to that much if you play a lot, but we will find out. I'm just going through all of the games. Takes me down to the bottom. And then if I go, so that was our game section. Let's just go right across the top here and we look at the offers. And if we're looking here, there's different offers. So earn $45 when you sign up with Acorns. Chime, you can earn $200. If you sign up with Ipsos I Say Survey Panel, you can get $10. I'll just kind of go right down the line so that you can see everything that you can sign up with. Definitely a lot of options there. Some high number items that you can see. And let me scroll back up. Let's go to surveys. Let's see what our survey options are. So obviously it says, hello Sean, get instant earnings for instant feedback, make money by taking surveys and sharing your experiences. So if we look, you see here, it says locked, locked, locked. That's because I need to complete my profile. Let's just see what happens when I complete my profile, how in-depth that is, how much they're asking, how much information they want to know. I'll go ahead and start that. So that was 6% of a complete profile. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this profile just so I can unlock all the other features. All right, so you can see there, I did earn $1 for completing my survey. It took me like 3 minutes, not a whole lot, asked some basic questions. So definitely not a ton there. I'm gonna click on survey match just to see what surveys they match me up with. So if I take this survey, which takes 24 minutes, it says I'll earn 98 cents. 15 minutes, I'll earn 61 cents. So let's take a look. I'll just keep going down. So there's quite a bit, but it's not adding up to a whole lot of money. We're probably under $5 for probably what would be a couple hours worth of time. So that just all depends on, how much you want to hustle. If you, want to do this while you're doing something else, maybe that's not a big deal. But there are, a lot of options there. The payouts just aren't very great. Now let's go to extra money. Let's see what happens in here. So extra earnings for instant feedback. You can take a survey, guaranteed to complete quick, don't have a lot of time, take a survey. So there's just another way that you can make some extra money. It doesn't necessarily share a lot of information about how much you're actually gonna make. So it didn't earn any money on that. Just took me a couple minutes. But so yeah, anyway, I could probably go through each of those, but I'm not going to. Let's just let's click on this icon for a second. Where the $1, my cash. So you see the dollar. Cash out's available through PayPal. I'm not sure what prize out is. So over $1 lifetime. Now, here's something I wanted to talk about, the refer a friend that you see right here. Increase your earnings by referring your friends. So if we refer a friend, you earn 25% more for every friend you refer. If your friend signs up using the referral link, you'll get 25% of the KashKick earnings they make by doing any of the offers. Just remember, this promotion doesn't count for any money they earn from surveys or extras. So something interesting there, if you do some referring and people make money on here, you're gonna get 25%. Obviously, it doesn't count for a couple things that they mentioned. There's the surveys or the extras. But gaming and all those other things, you earn 25% on that. So pretty interesting there. Settings. You can see email preferences, all right. And then let me just go back to the main page and let's take a look at just the game real quickly. Monopoly Go, what happens? Hint and after purchase can help you complete boards faster. So here's the thing I'm seeing. Yes, there's gonna be chances if you reach certain levels, you will be able to earn money. There might be things though that are gonna require you to pay in order to get to that level. So that's just the other little drawback with these things. Anyway, I'm gonna mess around with this a little more, but I wanted to just kind of give you a quick basic background. It is pretty easy to maneuver games, offers, surveys. Let's just go back to the games again, and as I will mention, I clicked on a couple of these before earlier, and many of them are unfortunately designed for mobile, and I am obviously recording this on a PC, so that's not gonna work, but I just wanted you to sort of see the game options that are out there. Definitely some fun things out there if you're a gamer, and opportunity to earn, some decent money. According to what I'm seeing, I think the gaming area is where you could potentially earn the most as you are playing those games. All right, so now that you had a first-hand view of what it looks like, let's talk about a couple pros and cons of using KashKick. All right, the first pro is that it is a legit way to earn some extra cash. Some people are always skeptical of this stuff. It is legit, we've tested it out. Second, it is very flexible because you're able to complete tasks whenever you have free time. Third is the low barrier to entry. Signing up is free and some tasks require minimal effort. When it comes to the cons, there is a little bit of a low earning potential. Don't expect to get rich with KashKick. Earnings are typically cents or few dollars per task. The next con is the time commitment. Completing high-paying offers or games can take a significant amount of time if you don't have much time. Another con are the offer tracking issues. Some users have reported problems with offers not crediting properly. And then the final con is that there is no mobile app. Currently, KashKick is only accessible through their website. All right, let's see if we can answer a few more questions that some of you may be asking at this point in the video. So the first question is, how much money can you make? And this is gonna vary greatly. Earnings depend on the type of the type of offer you choose, and the time that you're choosing to invest. Surveys might pay a few cents, while the higher level game offers could reward you with several dollars. But realistically, expect to earn a few bucks per hour at best. Is KashKick a scam? KashKick appears to be a legitimate platform, but there are complaints about offer tracking issues that we mentioned, where sometimes people aren't getting credited with what they should have earned. Is KashKick worth it? If you're looking for a way to earn some spare change and you have some time to kill, KashKick could be an option. However, don't expect it to replace your day job. Is KashKick secure? KashKick in general doesn't require much sensitive information to use, so it's generally considered low risk. You'll just need an email address. I might recommend using a junk email instead of your personal email, so that can stay private and you don't get bombarded with so many emails. What's the customer service like? KashKick only has an option to submit a request on their website. There's no phone number, email address, or even live support, and they even don't have a frequently asked questions section on the site. One thing we will mention is that it's highly unlikely you'll need too much support, as the site was fairly simple to navigate and pretty user-friendly. So hopefully that answered a couple of your extra questions. A couple things that are our final thoughts as we were reviewing KashKick. It definitely is a decent GPT platform to try if you're new to online rewards. It's easy to use. It has a low payout threshold, which is definitely nice. But just keep in mind the low earning potential and the time commitment involved. There are some better options out there if you're serious about making a little more significant money online, and we have done several other reviews that I'll mention. I'll maybe throw those down in the comments. I'll also throw those down in our description below. We've done some reviews on some other sites or platforms that maybe have worked out better, a little bit better for some people. So definitely go ahead and check those out on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried KashKick, leave a comment below. Let me know your experience. And for more ways to save money, make money, be sure to subscribe to our channel, The Modest Wallet. I'll see you in the next video.